Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all, and while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. Happy Friday to you. It is time for another free tutorial, but today is the last day of the month, so I wanted to let you know if you were going to use the July host code, here it is. And if you wanted to get into our online August class, we're going to be doing Stamp and Bingo, plenty of prizes. And to get into that, you need to be either a Paper Pumpkin subscriber through me or place a $50 minimum order in July. So today's the last day you can do that. And again, if you want to do that, just go to jeanpiersani.stampinup.net. You can also go to beautyandthestamper.com and that will take you there. So let's get started with our tutorial. We're going to use a base of crumb cake. This is going to be cut at 4 1/4 by 11 and then scored at 5 1/2. I also have a smaller sheet which has Mango Melody, and then a smaller piece from the Artistry Blooms Designer Series paper. This is going to be quick and easy birthday card. You can make a whole bunch of them and just get them done and have them ready for your birthdays. We are going to be using the Happiest of Birthdays set, and I'm going to be using that Wishing You the Happiest of Birthdays. I love it because it's so big and it's great for a project like this where you can just use a few items and get this taken care of quickly and easily. Okay, of course we always have everything that I use all the time, which is my bone folder. We always have paper snips, bone folder, take your pick tool, and my stamp and seal or multi-adhesive glue. I'm also going to be using the Memento ink here in the Tuxedo Black. So I'm going to set that off to the side for a minute, and this is what we're going to be stamping on. So I've got my E block here. We've got our Wishing You the Happiest of Birthdays. We're going to get that all inked up, and I'm going to do it this way. And the reason being is I like to kind of go across like this at first, make sure everything's covered, and then pat it down. So I like to see what's going on here, and this allows me to hold it really well. Again, like I said, as long as you have your pieces cut, this could go really fast. We're going to go ahead and go right toward the top and just pop that down. We're going to let that ink really soak into that paper. Not pressing too hard, but not, it's very nice and firm. So there we go. We've got your Wishing You the Happiest of Birthdays right on there. I'm not going to even say this is a hard card. This is total simple stamping at its finest. We're going to go ahead and pop this on here with our stamp and seal. Isn't that a beautiful color as well? All of our Designer Series paper are double-sided, and I am loving this stamp and seal. I didn't think I would like it very much, just because, you know, people don't like change, but now that I got the hang of it, it's amazing. So I think that this is a Rococo Rose that kind of blends into a Mango Melody. So I wanted to go ahead and grab a Mango Melody so that I could pop that just a bit. And if everything is measured correctly, we'll get a perfect border, which we did. So now I'm going to take a piece of my, I think it's called Gathered Ribbon, and it is in the Rococo Rose. Look at how pretty that is. And on this one, I am going to use a full piece. And the reason being is I want to put a beautiful bow on here. And I think this will make a really pretty bow. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to get that bow started. I think I didn't give myself enough room, but we'll see what happens here. I am not a bow maker, that's for sure. In fact, I'm going to give myself a good amount of ribbon here. Because I want to get that a really nice, pretty ribbon, a really pretty bow. And I just love the crinkle in this ribbon. Okay. As long as we got the first part of the bow done, we can work everything else out. I always build my bows upside down, otherwise they come out all wonky like this one. I'm not the greatest of bow builders. In fact, I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna build my bow first. I know. That's what I get for taking the easy way, or trying to take the easy way out. But I guess you guys all get to see everybody has their weaknesses. Mine is a bow. But look, that one came out rather nice. So I'm going to get out my scissors here. We're just going to cut that at a little bit of an angle. Same here, cut that at a little bit of an angle. I'm going to actually cut it going this way. There we go. So we've got a nice bow. It all worked out. And then I'm just going to take this now and go ahead and wrap it right around. This is normally how I do it, but I thought I would be a little fancy, and that just did not work out for me. I'm going to put that little seal down here, put a little bit going this way, just like that. Do the exact same here. There we go. And then we can put that right on here, and you can put it wherever you'd like. You can put it right smack dab in the center if you'd like. Just going to get out some little adhesives here. And we're going to go ahead and pop this part up. You know me, when in doubt, I am going to pop it out for sure. And we'll put a couple more here. You can never put too many as far as I'm concerned. I'm going to get that take your pick tool and really grab these off of there. So if you wanted to get the tutorial of this, it's very simple, very easy, but it's got all of my directions are on the beautyandthestamper.com website. So just go to beautyandthestamper.com to get everything that you need. And that is a blog, so feel free to subscribe to that blog. And I'm going to set this up. If I get that all situated, then everything should come out rather nicely. There we go. And before I do that, I'm going to keep one here just for the finishing touch of that bow. We'll pop that a little bit, but I wanted to add some little gems, but I wanted them to go with that Rococo Rose. So I've got my Rococo Rose stamping blends, and we're just going to color up these little gems there. And I'm going to do, we'll do 5 of them. And this one is the dark, but you buy them in the whole combo now, so whatever one you'd like. And we've got that, and now I'm going to give that just a minute to, I was looking at see which one is the better one. Just going to give that a second to dry. And it is an alcohol-based marker, so it's going to dry really quickly. And then here, I'm going to stick that right on there. Super cute. And then I can go in and we're just going to put a few of these here and there. Let's see, how about right up there. And then I'm going to put one more right in this area here. Put two close together. So there we go. That is our card. I hope you like it. I think it is super cute. The colors are just so fresh. I hope you like this. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up, and we will see you next Friday. Bye!
Today